Hey guys! This very moist, easy and simple cake happens to be my favorite. Not only it takes minutes to prepare, but it's also guilt-free since most of my ingredients are healthy and good for you. So let's start! I start by mashing one very ripe banana. I mash it very well, and I can do it actually in the mug. I just wanted to show you. I transfer it to the mug and I add one whole egg to it. Crack an extra large egg. Mix very well, and then add my vanilla, 1 teaspoon of vanilla and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Next, I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of Dutch processed cocoa, and it's a darker and sweeter cocoa, much better for baking. I add the cocoa and mix very well. And last but not least, I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of almond flour, and I mix very well. The last thing I do after adding 2 tablespoons of the almond flour is add a teaspoon or a tablespoon, as much as you like, of chocolate chips, semi-sweet chocolate chips, just in the center. And believe it or not, it's ready for the microwave. I microwave it on high heat for 1 whole minute, not a second more. And it's ready. And I can serve it actually just as is in the mug, but I want to flip it to just show you how moist it is and how good and chocolatey it is. I grate some extra chocolate on top because you can never have enough chocolate. And I'll show you now. I'll cut into it and show you how it looks. Wow, this is a very moist and tender cake. You're gonna love it. Didn't need any added sugar, but yet it's so chocolatey and so moist. You're gonna love this cake. Try it and follow my steps. Use the Dutch cocoa and use a very ripe banana, and you'll get the success that you're looking for. I hope you try it soon and let me know what you think. And until next time, bon appétit!